Eccentric Learning Laboratories presents, in cooperation with the League of Greatest Youth, Learn with Pride. Long-term potentiation refers to the effect learning has on organizing and strengthening connections between neurons, which grow over time and help to improve emotional regulation. Emotional regulation is a key mechanism that helps moderate and mediate our reactions to stress. Emotional regulation helps us see patterns that can be observed in our increased ability to tolerate distress and find enjoyment in new things, interests, activities, and tasks. Emotional regulation helps us perceive the world through an impartial, objective, and neutral lens. In other words, it helps us see the picture and the frame. This has been Lecture 6 of Learn with Pride, powered by the Tipping Point Model.